I want to help people change their lives, and I want to help as many people as possible.
I want to work on solving complicated social problems.
I want to be a leader.
I want to influence policy.
I want to work in administration.
I want to work in macro practice.
I care about people, and I want to change the world.
So you want to change the world? It turns out the world needs leaders like you.
The field of social work needs leaders. Are you ready to change the world? At Rutgers School of Social Work, MSW students must select an area of specialization. Students can choose between clinical social work and management and policy, also known as MAP. The MAP specialization provides students the skills they need to become leaders of organizations, including nonprofits and public service groups. Students learn how to strategically manage the challenges presented in the world of human services.
I think that you should choose the MAP specialization as a social worker if you find joy in sparking change, if you are passionate about helping others, if you're passionate about writing legislation and speaking for those who are muted in society.
Folks that are really jazzed about social welfare but want to think about how institutions, how systems, how policies might have a hand at creating problems and or fixing them. MAP's the game.
The Management and Policy Specialization, also known as MAP, prepares social workers to engage in macro practice at the community, organizational, or systems levels to improve policies and practice. Through MAP, you'll learn important skills like how to fundraise and budget, create and lead programs, exercise sound human resources practices, advocate, and research and analyze policy.
We get to work in groups and analyze and practice skills that we're going to be needing once we have real life scenarios, once we're out in the workplace.
I learned how to do budgeting, how to develop programs, how to do marketing and fundraising.
I would tell students who are considering the MAP specialization that this is such a critical part of social work that they should be involved in, and we need more people working in management and policy positions with the social work perspective.
The MAP specialization takes the practice of social work to the next level. It's a great way to prepare for a career that can have a significant impact on social policy. Put yourself on the map and make an impact on the world.